Hi guys, in this video I will describe how to connect and calibrate the device on scooter. The first thing you have to be sure is that the settings of the trigger is just adjusted as a manual. And now I will connect the device. I have to find this connector. It's the trigger connector. Disconnect it and just connect the device here. After that, if I turn on the power on the trigger, I will see that LED flashes rapidly with green. And you can see here are the plus, the minus and the set button. Okay, I turn off the trigger and then I have to hold set button and turn it on again. Okay. After I turn on the trigger, the LED will flash once with a long period. Now I have to press set. It goes 2 times. Now I have to pull the trigger fully. Like this. I fully pull the trigger, and while I hold the trigger like that, I press set again. Okay, it goes 3 times. Now I press and hold the plus button, and I will see the moment when the wheels will start to turn. I hold the plus. Okay, here they are turning. And I use the minus button to stop them at all. But I will not hold the minus button, I will press it. Once by once. Okay, now the wheels stopped totally. And I will use the plus button and I will press it once by once to find exactly the point where the wheels start to turn. Okay, this is the point that I'm looking for. It's the main point of the whole calibration. So now when I press set again, the wheels will start to turn with full speed. And I have to find the point where the increasing of power won't increase the speed. So I press set now. And I press the minus button until I hear that wheels start to slow down. Here I hear. So now I press the plus button, increase speed, again. And now I press once more and they don't increase speed, so I press the minus button, and this is the point. Everything is done and we can check that we made the calibration correctly. So if I pull the trigger, just when the LED will go green, the wheels have to start to turn. Here. I press the trigger and the wheels start turning. And they must increase their speed while LED is green, and I press the trigger. And in the end, the LED must turn off when I fully press the trigger. Okay. And if you will look on the speed, now you can see that you can just rotate the wheels with exactly the speed of 3 or 4 kilometers with hanging out the scooter. And if you go slightly, then you can see I almost made a half of the movement, and and I can slightly control it. Okay, thanks.